Hello, in this video I will show you how you can add live effects to wallpaper on Google Pixel 10. First of all, you have to hold on the home screen on the blank space and go to Wallpaper and Style. Here you are able to find live effects, so click on it, and now you have to select the photo that you want to have on your wallpaper with the live effects. So let's take this one, and now you are able to set the live effects. You can select a shape over here and also color. There is also effects from the weather like fog, rain, snow, and also you can change the intensity of these effects by using this slider. You can also find the cinematic, but you have to download effects to add 3D motion to this photo, so you have to download it separately. Okay, so let's take this one for example and click check mark in the top right corner. Go to next, and now you can select that you want to have this wallpaper on your lock screen only or home screen or both. And now let me show you how it looks like. This is my wallpaper with live effects. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.